Thank you for choosing the RheemLabs XpressHot, the only choice for instant filtered cold and near boiling hot water. Start by shutting off your water supply. Prepare a drain pan to catch water remaining in the lines and disconnect the existing hot and cold water lines. Next, uninstall your existing faucet. You may have to install the clear, near boiling supply tube. Slide it onto the pipe with a chamfered edge. Push the tube just past the line. Use a hose clamp to secure it and gently tug to ensure it's secure. Next, use the quick connector to join the white cold hose to the other pipe. Connect the communication cable extension. Then feed the tubes and connector wire down the hole. It's best to have someone hold it straight for this next part. Next, under the sink, place the triangular stabilizer plate, if needed, semicircular bracket, and washer onto the threaded rod. Then use the black wrench to tighten the nut. There's a plug in the base unit's cold outlet that you have to remove. Remove, but keep the blue clip, and depress the collar to free the plug. You may need to use pliers. Then install the included T-connector. Connect the clear hot hose to the red ringed outlet on the top right of the base unit and secure it with a hose clamp. Also, connect the communications cable. And then insert the white cold filtered line into the blue ringed white connector and secure it with the blue clip. You'll also need to connect the hot and cold water hoses to your supply lines. The cold water hose connects to the T-connector on the top of the base unit. The hot water supply connects directly to the faucet's hot water hose. Next, install the filter by aligning the arrows and turn until it's flush with the unit. Once all connections are made, slowly turn on the water and check for leaks. Now, plug in the base unit, but do not turn it on. XpressHot needs a constant supply of power. If your only outlet under the sink is for the garbage disposal, you'll need to add an air switch or wireless switch to control the disposal and leave the wall switch in the on position. Next, you must purge air out of the tank or damage may occur. Turn the knob to hot, then press and hold the dispense button. Air will exit the XpressHot, and after some time, water should start flowing. But keep running the water for another 20 seconds to ensure all air is removed. Once all the air is removed, you're ready to turn on your XpressHot base unit by pressing the power button. Set the base unit to your desired temperature and wait for it to heat up. Then use cold and hot water as with any standard faucet. And on the XpressHot side, turn the knob to cold and press the dispense button for filtered cold water, or turn the knob to hot, then press and hold the dispense button for 3 seconds for filtered near boiling hot water anytime you need it.